Hi friends! Today we're making and comparing 3D objects. We'll build with cubes, compare shapes, and test which designs are strong. Ready? Let's go! First, we can build 3D objects with cubes. Count the cubes as you build. This shape is tall, this one is wide. They look different, don't they? Now compare them. Which shape uses more cubes? Which one takes up more space? That means how much room the shape fills. Try pointing to the bigger one with your finger. Some shapes are stronger than others. A tall tower can wobble if the base is too small. A wider base helps it stay steady. Builders and engineers think about this all the time. Now it's your turn. What could make your tower stronger? Could you make the base wider? Could you use more cubes? Great thinking! You've got this. Well done! You learned how to make and compare 3D objects. You counted cubes, looked at space, and tested strong designs. If you liked this video, hit like and subscribe for more Year 3 Maths fun. See you next time!